Hi, I'm Simon. I help people become more confident cruisers. And we're here in beautiful Grand Cass here in St Martin. And the video you're about to watch is done by the lovely Lauren. She came to see if she could get a crew job with my good friend Len. And then I noticed on her paper that she brought that she was a videographer. So I invited her on, and here she is. And hopefully you'll love this video, which I do. And check her out. The link is somewhere around here. So yeah, we'll see that.
Hey guys, I'm Lauren, and right now I'm on board this incredible 50-foot catamaran that goes by the name Manava. A little bit about myself is I'm from Canada, I'm 20 years old. I came down here to St. Martin from Canada to kind of just try and carve out a new path for myself. Despite having no sailing experience or any background working on boats in general, I decided to just take a leap of faith. And honestly, I think that some of the best things in life begin with a leap of faith. While I may have started out film as a hobby, it's now become my ultimate dream to turn this passion into a way I can sustain this lifestyle, which is why I'm so grateful to be on board this boat doing this. It feels like a dream come true. If you're new to this channel and you're not familiar with what's going on, like Simon said, he helps people become more confident sailing cruisers. So you can book your spot to come join us on this amazing adventure while also learning how to sail and seeing if this lifestyle is right for you. Wow, good morning, sun. Just woke up at 6:30 a.m. this morning. Rise and shine. Gonna get ready for the day now, which takes me usually like 5 to 10 minutes. Super quick and easy. This is my lovely room. It's really nice. I love this bed. It's so comfortable. And it's really nice to wake up to the sun. Well, I mean, I keep that closed at night, but wake up by the sun via these. Yeah, bathroom here. Whoa! Now that everybody's up, it was about 8:30 a.m. at this point. Simon is just sitting down with the guests, having a cup of coffee and talking about the route and where we're going to be going, what we're going to be doing. So we're leaving Penel Island today, and we're going to go to another island called Ile Fourchou. I might have pronounced that wrong, but that is where we're going. We're gonna snorkel, have some lunch. I don't know what else. So that island right there is St. Bart's. Ile Fourchou is right there. So we'll be going there. It's kind of hard to see, but yeah.
Are we missing the reef?
Apparently we're missing the reef.
Yeah, okay, so that's good. I'm happy about that. Halyards take sails up and down. Sheets control it. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to 3 wraps into the jaws.
Okay, that one's untied.
Yeah. Okay, so I need this little blue one.
That one's not untied.
Yeah. If you can just pass it to me, I'll get it. There you go.
Made it to land. We made it to Il Forshu, and it's now 11:27. So some of us are getting something to eat, having some lunch.
Some of us are gonna make a Bloody Mary.
Some of us are gonna make a Bloody Mary, and then we're gonna go snorkel, and it's gonna be awesome. How are we all feeling?
We're feeling fantastic.
Feeling fantastic.
Beautiful day.
Yay! How was it? How did you guys go to the beach? How was the beach?
Rocky Sandy.
Rocky Sandy. Bro. It's now 6 o'clock. We've been anchored here all day. We did some snorkeling, paddle boarding, had lots of fun. It was fantastic. Right now we're all just hanging out and about to eat some dinner. The sun is setting behind me. It's so pretty. It's beautiful. I love when the sun hits the water like that. Here we have a charcuterie board made by yours truly. Over here we have Brian cooking some dinner.
Chicken puttanesca instead of shrimp because shrimp are unavailable.
Oh, right in front of my face.
Right,
Brian.
go.
Like literally right here.
I'm gonna hand this back to you in a minute.
Okay.
Was I paying tax in the UK? I'm okay. As long as they say.
Dinner is served. Some delicious pasta.
And the funny thing is,
No basil.
Some garnish.
No basil.
I didn't know about this,
Feeling
but
lucky.
Simon was telling us that like
lucky.
when the sun sets on the horizon, sometimes there's a green flash.
So when the sun, right, it's going to watch.
Here we go.
It's going to go.
Video that.
Watch. Right, do you see that green?
Yep.
No.
Got it.
Did you see it?
Yep, I saw it.
That's
I
a
saw
green
it.
flash, guys.
I did
I
not
saw
see
it.
it.
A little,
Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I didn't see it.
Yeah, right?
A little one.
They're all little.
Get that picture. That's beautiful.
I know.
And that'll. No, that's beautiful. This doesn't suck.
Oh, it doesn't. I love it.
So it is actually the next day. I didn't record anything after that. After we had dinner and watched the sunset, we all just hung out and I didn't take out the camera, and then I also forgot to film a proper outro, so I'm gonna do that now. Oh, I almost forgot to say, don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. It is Lauren Nature. I will put the link in the description if you want to check out some of my videos. I also have a YouTube channel, but I only have like 4 videos up on there, and I never post. I will start posting though, so you should subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye guys, that's it for today.